Hi, welcome back to CMG Aerospace Trading Channel. Um, this episode will be on um, FX weekly forecast, and today's the episode will be 32nd, right? 32nd um week analysis. So if you are here, um, like we do always, before we continue with the pending week, the analysis, we first of all have to look at what happened the previous week, the analysis that we did, right? So, beginning with DXY, we would follow up with JPY, and then probably gold, right? So last week, um, we were expecting that markets will rally, right? Will move to this area, all right? Actually, market opened from this place, right? And I told you, market that don't move in a linear sense. So even before you can actually come down or whatever, anything that has to do first, here, right, it may move down to this area or better say move up, right? But I was expecting that it moves actually to this area because if you go back when taking this analysis and going back, we're expecting that this is a support level, and for that matter, you should get to this area to confirm that before moving up, right? So lo and behold, that was what it did exactly, right? It moved down to this place. I was actually expecting that it should move up just right from here, but there was something that happened. We call fake out, right? This happening, and then the second this one also happening may seem like the market has what broken out, and then for that matter, it's not coming back again. But I doubted. I knew for sure that this is not going to do that. So it got to this area and then it fake out with the help of this candlestick pattern. In fact, these two is a candlestick pattern called what? Engulfing, engulfing, right? You can even use the engulfing or better still the tweezers bottom, right? So when it happened here, this is a bullish pattern. So when we got here, see how the movement went up, right? So I knew for sure that market will reverse because going back with this line that I call my support level, there has been a number of confirmations there. So when it got here, exactly what I was expecting happened, and then we started moving up. So if you were here or you watched last week, you can see this line that I drew. Even in fact, in the course of the week, I drew this line, and I was expecting that when market gets here, it's going to go up. So it means that on DXY, what we're expecting actually happened, right? So moving forward to the pending week, right? So here, um, I'm still expecting the market go up, right? Bear in mind, there's a number of things that I have to say here, technical things with a number of conditions. I'm still expecting that market will continue going up, right? But there may be a fake out also, right? With the help of something we call volume, right? Let me draw something here. This is what I'm expecting. You see this thing. Now, market is going to continue consolidating for a number of times here, right? It will do that. Now, if this my expectation of the market going up will be so, it will depend on what? The volume, right? The volume that will be what we will experience in the course of the week. Else, else, market will actually come down to this area. Sorry, excuse me, sorry. Market will come down here, right? Before going up. Bear this in mind carefully. I know what I'm saying. One, if it happens so, it means that the volume was not enough. And for that matter, the market will come back for a retest before going up again. So bear in mind, this week analysis, I am not even going to waste much time with it on it, right? Besides that, I'm even a bit under the weather, so you can hear me sneezing here and there. So this is what I'm expecting. My analysis, if you have been on this channel, you know my analysis are quite simple. I don't waste much time on them. Right. So with this line that I've drawn, I'm still expecting market to go up, right? But here, there's a consolidation happening here. Now, this consolidation may take a number of times here, may take some time here, else it will move down to this area for a retest. If it happens to, it means that the volume is not enough before going up, right? So we have something I've treated called what breakout and fake out. That is what is going to happen here. Last week, the same thing happened here. Last week, what happened here was what? A fake out. Was a fake out. If you want to watch, understand what is a fake out or a breakout, check in this video description or this channel. You see how to spot breakout and fake out in the FX what market. So that is what I'm seeing now. Either market will continue that way, right? Let me see this thing. Right. So here, right? So either market come to this level and go up, or from here, right? If the volume is matched, is the volume is enough, then we are going to break out and then continue right away. We are not going to waste much time here and then move up. So that is what we should be expecting on the DXY. In fact, I'm not going to worry myself going to the higher time frames. The day, the weekly, I'm not going to do that. So be expecting this, right? I'm not going to clean these markets. Let's see what happens. So in this area, either move up right away or it comes down, lack of volume comes down. And then when it comes down for a retest, that will be a good sign. In fact, that will be a good opportunity for us to what join the rally, right? If it comes down to this area, it's very nice. But I know it to be rather unfortunate for some people who are already in the trade, right? So if you're already in the trade, be careful. I know you may be swinging on all that. If you are doing that, if you see that on Monday the rallying the consolidation takes a longer time period here, please it will be advisable for you to exit, right? It will be advisable for you to exit. Then you find another what entry, then you enter, right? So that is what we have on the DXY. Let's move to what is it? JPY. Now JPY also last week we were expecting that it will move down, right? It will move down, but before moving down, it actually, in fact, market open around this place, right? Right, and I was saying that the JPY has the tendency of doing anything. The Japanese economy, in fact, they decide whatever they do. They don't really mind about price action. That's JPY for you. They can come in at any time and then intervene. That's their style, unlike the DXY, right? So it actually rallies strongly to this area. If you see here, this is my support sorry, the resistance level. It moved really strong one. So when it started moving that way, I even have doubt in the weekly analysis because the move was too strong. But then lo and behold, it got to this area and then it started coming down. So once again, I came to the Telegram channel and then to update you guys, right? If you want to see a live update of whatever analysis that we did in the course of in fact, at the beginning of the week, if you want to see that that is what is actually happening, you might want to join our Telegram channel. And the link is in this video description, and then you see whatever is happening. So truly it happened, and then market started coming down strongly again. So once again on JPY, whatever we expecting happened the exact way. Yes, unless maybe you entered aggressively, right? Maybe you were impatient and then you wanted to enjoy the rally. Else you would have been what profitable. So that is what we experience in on JPY, right? So once again, the coming week, right? I'm still going to expect that market what come down. Now, generally, we are experiencing what? An uptrend on JPY. You understand? We are experiencing an uptrend on JPY. So someone could see this as a pullback. I know someone could see this as a pullback, and then some may also see as what we are going down, right? So here, let me see what I can say about this. Okay, so on the JPY, I told you on JPY, I don't do any I don't waste time on doing analysis on JPY, right? I only check it during the week, right? So here, um, you see, price is just around the moving average, right? So I just hope that it moves away further away from the what the moving average, and then even though it's at the moving average, once again, it's at what a level that I've marked, this blue level, right? So in fact, I can't even tell if it is a support or resistance because price is just around the area, right? So let's see what will happen. Either it will be a pullback or we are going to continue coming down. So in fact, I will update you in the course of the week, right? So in this purple area, when I do this purple area, it means that I'm expecting the market to consolidate for some time, right? So if market consolidate for some time, what will happen next is what? A strong volume, right? A strong volume that will decide. So in this area, I can't decide now, even though we are generally coming down, right? But let's see what will happen in the course of the week. So I won't wait much time on today's analysis. I'll confirm in the course of the week, right? So let's see on gold. I don't know if I can say something on gold. So on gold, right? So gold. Okay. So gold, we are above the what? Our support level. We are above the moving average. So either price will get to this level. Price will get to this level and then come down again. Yes. So let's see what will happen. Or we'll get here and then break that level and then we keep going up. Right. So that will be, but this everything that I will say on gold will be very dependent on DXY. Even though of late gold is doing its own thing. I know if you have been on the channel, I've told you how DXY and gold work together. I've told you their relationship and all that. Right. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you are watching this, this channel will provide structured FS lessons for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, right? And then crypto mining opportunities too. We are currently covering series on how to trade on Binance, right? A complete series on that. We have the first episode uploaded. So we are still working on the rest. So stay tuned and then use that opportunity to earn on Binance, right? We will say bye for now. See you in the course of the week.